What I want to do is get a side profile so that we can.
I hope my baby sister is a girl.
You want a sister, huh?
Yep.
That's nice.
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
Oh, good. Okay, we'll freeze it right there.
Is she moving around in there?
I have it frozen. I just had to get it in the right spot. So it looks like you're pretty good on your dates. Have it like at 11 and 5 days, so you're still within the normal, so we'll keep your dates the same.
Okay.
We don't need to change those. Get off that. Now we're going to try and get the heartbeat.
Oh.
Not sure if you can see. And that movement right there, that flicker, that's the heart. We should be able to look to it. You can lay back down.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. No problem. It's pretty easy to move. Have to pretend they're swimming around and I'm chasing them. That's good. Measure it.
Well, this is baby's heartbeat, Junior.
In the movie, it sounds weird.
You're right at 140, so that is exactly where you want to be. That's good. That's great. Okay. Move this out of the way. We'll try and get a
It's an idiot.
good view. Take home your glamour shot.